Hello, Shui, Patrick.
Hi everyone.
Yeah,
Hi, folks.
yeah, the live streaming is enabled. Wani, do you know whether Pradesh will join or not? Hi, Wani, are you talking? You are muted.
Hey, sorry about that. Did you ask about Pritesh?
Yeah,
Yeah, he should be able to join. I just pinged him. I just pinged him. So let me see.
okay, thank you. I'm sharing the screen for the agenda. I think let's get started. We're waiting for Pritesh. Okay. Yeah, so let's get started. Uh, Actually, today's meeting is the first meeting of 2025. So welcome back and Happy New Year. And the first topic is about the security audit status and our upcoming release. So based on the current status, we did a RC2 release end of last year, 2024. So I think we are almost ready to publish the security audit because all the fixes are included in our release candidate. I just want to check with Patrick or Shui that we have two security advisories, right? And I checked the status that we received the CVEs, but we need to publish those two security advisories. So I would like to understand what are the actions for publishing. Do we need a review from Wani or Pradesh?
Yes, we need review from Pritesh.
Okay, for both
Yes, for both.
advisories. Okay. Yeah. So Wani, could you help to also pin Pradesh or talk with him about this because without Pradesh approval, we will not publish those security advisories. And the security audit team need this CVEs, I think, need the CVEs to update their security audit report. Wani, could you help to talk to Pradesh about this? I will also offline ping Pradesh about this.
I am sorry, I am talking on mute. Yes, sure.
Yeah, because I think all of us in this meeting are in the Slack channel with security audit team. They are also checking the current status because it is the first month of the new year, right? And we should have complete the audit report and the stable release last year, but we didn't. So it's better that we can publish the report as soon as possible. And so once Pradesh approve the security advisories, we can publish them. The audit team can, of course, they can in parallel add the CVE numbers because they are already there. Update their reports and submit PR in our specification repository.
Sure. Yeah.
Yeah, so let's try to get those two advisories published as soon as possible. And according to the current timeline, let's targeting next week for publishing the security audit report and the blog.
Sure.
Okay. I will also take a note after this meeting that mentioned that Pradesh will review it.
I think Pritesh reviewed the audit report, but
No, not the audit report, the security advisory in the notation Go repository.
okay, got it.
Yeah, I cannot show them in this meeting because this meeting is public.
Yes,
Because
sure.
those advisory needed to be published to be public. Yeah. Those two advisories are important.
Sure, sure.
Yeah. Yes. Okay, I think then we will talk about the notation 1.3 release because we did RC release end of last year. I think by default we will wait for 1 week, right? But here I would like to propose that we complete the release next week and leaving and give this week for testing because last week is still in the holiday season. I don't think anyone will test it. So I would suggest that we give this week for additional time for testing. What do you think?
Yeah, I do think we still need 1 week for testing and validate those new features because they are not quite active response from the community during the holiday season. And also for ourselves, we have to prepare some documentation work before the official stable release.
Yeah. So even no additional comments, so I assume that we are aligned that we will give 1 more week this week for additional testing. Then we cut official release next week. Okay. But the most important is that we need to get those two security advisory approved from Pradesh and we publish them. Then I will notify security audit team to update their security audit reports and create PR for the report in our repository. Okay, that's for the first topic. Then we move on to the next topic, KubeCon updates. This is very fresh news. So I received the CNCF content team. They notified that the notary project maintenance track, this session has been accepted. And in this session, I will work with a company called, yeah, I didn't remember the name. Let me check. Yeah, the company Orange Logic company. I will work with their DevOps lead to work through their journey, actually their cloud native transformation journey, and also how Notary project plays an important role in this journey. And of course, I will also share the latest updates from Notary project, including our vision, strategies, roadmap. I will also emphasize our great efforts on the security audit, the collaboration with the audit team, and also our code quality. So those will be basically the content for the maintenance track. I think, of course, we will also submit the project booth, right, Feynman?
Yeah, the project booth has been already submitted. We can receive the notification from CNCF maybe by end of this week.
Okay, that's great. Shui, do you want to say something?
Yes, the notary is also selected for the lightning talk.
You mean the lightning talk is also accepted?
Yes.
Okay, that's great. Okay, I think this time we will have three activities. The lightning talk is the, I think it's the first time, right, Feynman? We have this, or the second time?
Maybe second time?
Okay, never mind. Yeah, this is great. Yeah, we will meet in London this time.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, another update. It's not related to this topic. The second topic, I forgot to add is that we also have in our roadmap we have the work related to attestations. And if you remember, I think a month ago, even 1 year ago, there are also in total folks joining our community meeting talking about the attestations. So in this year, as we have this attestation in the roadmap, I will study to engage with in total community to talk about attestation support, especially related to the envelope, because we have the COSI and the JWS envelope, right? And also how we wrap our signature is a bit different with in total attestations. So I will engage with in total community to see whether we have any innovative solution for that. Yeah, but currently it is still in very early stage. We probably will have some early discussion, POC, then the final proposals, then the implementation, maybe from both community and also I think we will welcome in total community if they are interested in contributing to notary project as well. Okay, that's another update. Okay, I didn't see Pritesh join yet. Let me check. Oh, Pritesh just joined. Hi, Pritesh.
Hi,
Here,
sorry for being late.
no problem. Yeah, I just actually the first two topics were completed, and for the first one, security audit, we have two security advisory that were created by audit team in Notation Go repository, and those two security audit those two advisories need your approval so that we can publish them.
Okay, I will review that.
Yeah, it's better that we can review those and approve them as soon as possible because we have some other actions pending on this one. So after the advisories are published, audit team, they will need to update their audit report with the CVEs and also our current release candidate for the fixes. Then they can publish the security audit report, and we will jointly write a blog post for announcement. So we are targeting next week for announcements, but there are some things we need to do in this week, including the advisories publishing. Yeah, it's better that Pritesh, you can prioritize this work.
So I will do.
Yeah, thanks. Okay, and also I just want to mention that for the notation 1.3 stable release, we will give users or customers additional week this week for testing. Then we will cut the official release next week. So I think this also requires Pritesh, Patrick to work closely for the releasing.
Makes sense.
Okay. Yeah. So if no other topics, I would like to we can discuss the last topic, which is our regular item. Let's review the issues in each repository and also check whether any PRs need additional attention. Okay. I'm switching to the repository. Yeah, maybe we just start from Google. Google, we just have this bump up here, right? For the Delta CLL, we will plan it for the future. Yeah, I think that Delta support is related to this issue. So we will need to update the milestone. So I would like to suggest that we by the time of 1.3 release, let's review the issues in the milestone. If those are not released, we just move to the next 1.4 milestone. Vision go. Yeah, this PR is actually from a new contributor, right? So let me check. The commit was not signed, right?
Yes. The author needs to rebase the branch and sign their commit.
Okay. Maybe I'm wrong. Why I couldn't see the commit not signed here? I remember we have some checks,
Just
right?
because the branch is out of date.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think maybe yeah, we need to ping this also again, and also Pritesh, could you also take a look at this PR as well? Okay, it seems I cannot paste it in the chat. Okay, I saw Pritesh, you just approved. We needed to ping this user. Okay. Yeah, this PR. Okay, this PR also need Adam to take action.
Hi Yi. So
Yeah.
I saw you skipped a PR in the middle. Yeah, this one. Pritesh, could you help review this PR as well? Thank you.
This is the docs for the library, right? Okay, let's move on to the patient. Yeah, this is from Junjie for the blob sign spec update on the import and show commands.
Yes, I created an issue to remind myself to update the spec.
Yeah, I think currently there are several issues, PRs pending on Pritesh side. But Pritesh, please prioritize the security advisory publishment first, then the other PRs and the features.
Okay. So for security advisory, what do I need to do after reviewing? I just leave, I just ping on the channel or something else?
Yeah, for you mean in the Slack channel, right?
Yep.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I think those PRs we will do that as normally. We have the PR we send out for review, but the advisory, we cannot explicitly send it. So please prioritize those two first, and for the others we can summarize it and send them in the Slack channel. Okay. So should we remove this charge and put to the 1.4? According to our last time discussion, we will plan we agree that the blob sign will be included in 1.4 first. So let's remove the charge. Okay, so no new issues. Yeah, there are some blob sign related PRs. We can send a summary for that, and the dependency bot for this one is also from a new contributor, right?
I think so. It is very common that new contributors always miss to sign their commits.
Yes, we already have this information in the contributor guide. Okay, so we will need to wait for the sign the commit and also one additional comment from Junjie, right? Okay, for the others are related to blob sign, we may need to have an ordered list for Pritesh to review. We can provide that list later on. Specifications. Yeah, this one, we want to update the file extension, right? The name of the file format. Patrick has these PRs. This also requires Pritesh review. This PR is quite old. Is still valid? Junjie, is this PR still valid?
Yes, yes, it is valid. We need to update the Slack.
Sorry? Sorry, Junjie, can you say it again? Junjie, you are muted.
It's a little bit noisy here. I typed in the chat.
Okay. Yeah, I just checked the comments from the chat talking about the guideline for the new contributors. So we have those guide on the contributing guide. So maybe we should link it or make it visible in the README for the sign.
When the check fails, does it come up in the PR to go here and fix it?
Yeah, actually, I think Junjie comment and in the PR, it should field, but
But there's a manually added comment, right? Like, for example, when a DCO and things like that fail, it gives you the instructions of how to go fix it.
let me check whether it is this PR. Okay. So normally there should be a failure, but this branch is currently out of date. Normally it should fail here. But once there is a failure here, I'm not sure whether there is a guide linked by this DCO checking.
I don't think so. It won't show up in DCO checks. DCO is for other kind of sign off, not this graphically signing
Okay.
your commit.
It's different.
Yes.
But there will be a failure here, right? For the commit sign. I think there should be a failure, and we can avoid that before fixing them. Let me check the notation go. You no.
Maybe we can add a link, the instruction link to the contributor guide to let users know where can they follow the instructions to sign each Git commit. Having a link in the pull request so that they will understand how to sign off each Git commit.
You mean a link in the README?
Yeah, no, not README. In the PR CI check, they will check the failed CI items and see the details link.
Yeah, maybe it has been quite some time, so maybe someone can help to remind me. I remember that previously, if there is no such verified, we cannot even merge it, and there should be a notification, right? Somewhere.
Yes, it's just a notification. There's no guide or link in that notification. It just said it's not signed, and that's it.
So well, it said that
It's yeah, it's at the location of unresolved conversations, it will be showed there. Yeah.
okay.
No, it's
Right.
not inside. It's not inside here. So once everything is done and all the conversations are resolved, and the the notification will be shown at the place of unresolved conversations.
Okay.
Yeah,
In that
but
case,
without any guide link.
no guide link. Okay.
No guide link. Yeah.
Can we add some guide link here? It's depend on GitHub, right? We cannot. Yeah, I think if we cannot do anything around the PR, I think the best place will be under the README. We can highlight that. For the contributing and also link the contribution guide here for the notation, because this repository could be normally the first repository that the user check.
Let's create an issue to track this item, and we can investigate what is the most friendly method to add the instruction to new contributors.
Okay. Yeah. I will take a note in the meeting notes. We will create an issue for tracking it. Checking signed commits in PR.
Probably we need some this kind of validation in our workflows.
So it seems there is a way to do that, right?
Looks like that, although I haven't used it.
Yeah, it also plays a comment, so that means we can, if we can customize the comment, then we can put a link, right? Customized comment. Okay. Anyway, I will create the issue and we can try this action to see whether it works. Okay. Yeah, I think there is also one PR in the website. So maybe Wani, you can also help look review this PR for the, yeah, it will be a user document published in the website due to we introduced the cache directory for the CIL. I think Wani already dropped. Yeah, I think I will ping her offline for this. Okay. ESP client Go, do we have anything to discuss? This is a vote, right?
Yeah, we are voting for 1.0.0 release.
Okay.
But as you mentioned earlier, should we put it next week or?
Yeah, I think
this week?
we leave this week for testing. I think the vote, the issue, it doesn't matter. So if everyone, we reach the majority for approvals, we can cut the release next week.
Next week, okay.
Yeah. Okay. I think, yeah, besides the two PRs from the new contributors, we need to figure out a way to to highlight how to sign the commits if they failed. I will create an issue for tracking that, and also add the link that Pritesh shared as a reference. It could be a solution. And the current priority is that the security advisory to those two are most important. Then we have a list of PRs for the blob sign, and we will summarize it. We need to make a summary on that, and Pritesh, you can then review those lists.
Will do.
Yeah. But before that, the 1.3 release is the most important. So let's target next week for the audit report publishing and also our stable release for 1.3.
So if we are done for the day, I have an announcement. Yeah. Can I go? Or you still have something to discuss?
Sorry, Pritesh?
Do you have anything else to discuss?
No, agenda. I think complete all the agendas items.
Good. Then I have an announcement. Actually, I'm transitioning to a new project and team. So starting next week, I will have very little to no bandwidth for Notary project. I'm still in discussion with how can we support Notary project. So Vani could have some update by next week. But yeah, I would be leaving the PRs and advisory doc this week.
Okay. Yeah.
It was really fun learning with Notary project. It was really fun working with all you guys. I learned a lot. It was a good time.
Yeah.
That's a big loss to the Notary project community, but I still want to share my sincere application for Pritesh. Thanks for contributing to the project for several years.
Yeah, same from me. Thanks, Pritesh, for your love and your contribution to the Notary project.
Yeah, it's definitely a loss.
Thank you, Pritesh.
Thank you, Pritesh. It was fun working with you.
I think you
are mute, Pritesh.
For sure. I would be around the corner. I would be checking the Notary project in my personal time. Or whenever my time permits.
Yeah, that will be great.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think I will try to find some time to catch you offline in person, because I plan to do this before the new year. Yeah, but
Let's do it. Yeah, I'm still in Redmond area, so feel free to ping me. We should be able to catch up for sure. Good. Thanks, everyone.
Yeah, thanks, Pritesh. Yeah.
Thank you, Pritesh.
Thanks.
Really appreciate.
Thanks, Pritesh.
Yeah, I don't have anything else to discuss. So if no other topic, we can drop the meeting earlier. Okay, so let's close this meeting. Thanks, everyone. And the best wishes to you, Pritesh. Bye.
Thanks. Bye.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye, everyone.